Kaya mo yan. Ayun, oh. There you go. Yay.
Oh, way to go, Christian!
Ah. Bigay, bigay. Ah. Ano mo?
Good job. Good shot.
Skarte, saksak. Kaya mo yan, maliit. Sige mo, ito.
3 seconds.
Ayun. Defense, defense.
Oh! That was a great move.
Saksak mo, taas kamay, taas kamay.
There you go. The defense. Oh, yeah. Go.
Basta mo yung boses mo.
Rip it.
Sipag, sipag. Marami kayo. Travel.
Good time. There you go. Oh, good job, guys. Good job. Move it around. You guys.
Sama na, saksak mo. Kaya mo yan. Ewan.
Whoop. Rip it.
Ano mo, ano mo? Ano mo ulit, ano mo ulit? Pinilit. Yeah.
Go defense. Get back on G.
Ano mo ulit? Diskarte. Huh? 2 points lang. Anticipation. Ano mo? Ano mo? Taas kamay, taas kamay. Move, move, move. Nice. Ewan.
Up, it's off. Get back. All right, jump right here. Get back. Good boy. Gary? let me see it. Let's see it. You go, you gotta make it. Hurry.
Let's go for a wheel.
Let's go.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
hey!
You probably like hurry up. Or do you like ice cream? I can't wait to get out. I went to your school too.
Dang. Dude, you need a uniform, man. Oh, you did. Hey, see number 3? Go take him out. And then you take his out, okay? Yeah. Okay, there, that guy.
How are you? I'm good. Just busy.
Hey, Crystal, run spear.
Yeah, just working.
I know, we're always working.
Yeah. So we can eat.
Oh!
Oh, nice, Alex.
Back, slow it down, slow it down. Nice. Take it in. Control. Hey, let's go defense. Get a stop. Get a stop.
Hey, Z.
Run. Back up.
That's okay.
Hey, you have to shoot it if you take that step.
It's all right.
You understand?
Bring it.
Hustle. Vamos, vamos. Oh!
Nice comeback.
Nice.
Oh!
Alex, you got to get in there.
Box out. Box out.
Let's go.
Come on.
Oh! Nice try.
Get it back, get it back.
Hey, 2 at a time. Oh! Wow. You got to call back.
11, 9.
Up! Yeah! Nice.
Get a run, Alex. Get a run. Beat him down the floor.
with the other Filipino too.
Where's the other Filipinos? Come on. Nice, Alex.
Hey, you guys slide over. Let's go.
Nice, Alex.
Defense. Will. Good D, Will. There you go. Take that ball. Oh, good defense. Take that shot. Hey, don't lose focus.
Watch behind you, Keith.
Catch up, catch up.
Mhm.
Stop ball, stop ball. Good job, son. Run that up. Good work, good work. Hey, slow it down, Alex. Run with them, run with them.
Hands up! Nice!
Active hands. Get your hands up, hands up. Hands up, right, hands up. Watch that look.
Sometimes, but I can't. Well, maybe even like 2 minutes What's the 3?
Go, push!
Do with your body, kid.
They count our goal? They put the score for our goal?
Get it, Alex. Nice, Alex.
Huh?
Score tayo?
Turn face.
No. Yeah, they didn't put. Yeah, they put.
Jump. There it is. Defense. Let's go, White. Still gotta get a score here. Get that out. Watch out. Nice.
Nice start. Good going. Good job, Alex. Good job, Jaden.
Iya, ang half time.
Take the basket.
Nice job, please.
Ah.
Stay on him, Keith.
Dribble. Talk! Good job, Alex. Go! Back!
Ewan.
Nice.
Go, good talk! Talk, White, talk! Pressure ball! 10 seconds!
Nice try.
Tama ng resto.
Busy eating.
Your dad's asking.
Like, damn, dude.
Oh, it's work. It's almost done, huh? Oh, you got some more?
Yeah, I like it. True. I like that.
You get to interact with them.
I'm not stressed out.
No.
Supporting
Yeah.
You want those books?
Yeah, if you're not gonna use them.
I don't know what else I want, but I have some stuff that like a dummy's guide to fix your to fix your laptop.
Yeah.
That's all I want. Everything else, yeah, it's just like that. So it's A+ test.
Network and security.
Yeah, so stressed out.
Yeah, you don't need to. It's too stressed out.
Yeah, I'm just like,
Plus, you can always, things come up on the district, you can always hear that.
that's all it's got.
Because we had one that was supervising, and then she jumped, and then jumped, and then now she's like, you know, because you guys get to see the openings before they put them out before they check everybody else.
I want to go there.
Oh, so you want Conejo?
Oh, binabantayan yung anak mo.
So you just keep looking. So there's opening.
Get back! I saw a little bit of it. I didn't see.
Box out!
Box out, box out. Double! Gotta get the score. Let's go, Z. Let's go, Z. Keep him left. Keep him left. Keep him left. Keep him left.
Oh! Kunin mo, kunin mo! Diskarte! Ayan na!
Box out.
One more! Yeah!
Let's go, Z. Let's go, Riley. He's hit left, left, left.
Get back on D.
Nice! Oh.
All right, let's go.
Rabel. Sure. Sure. Salita ka. What?
Layup, layup.
Oh. Lakasan mo.
Stop him, Riley. Good work. Let's go, boys. Let's go.
Baba, baba, baba! Ayun o!
Nice one.
Yeah!
Mason, good shot.
I don't think they let him on. And it went twice. And in good.
Although this one they can do it now. Someone's already.
Ah. Andiyan sa taas, sa drawer. Malapit dun sa Villa Mary.
Yeah, I think that's the next game. We're gonna play them.
Malapit din. Ano program? Ah, ano? Naka-battle.
Yeah.
Naka-top drawer.
Help! Help! Ayun oh!
All right, let's go. Play some defense. Here we go. Get a stop here. Let's go, Christian. Take it. Set it up. Set it up.
Ano mo?
All day, Alex. All day. And you gotta bump him. Get back! Get a stop! Good job, Christian. Box out! There you go!
Baba! Baba! Taas kamay!
Take it!
Hey!
What about the travel? Hustle! Good left, good left. Be active, hands up. Nice, please.
Diskarte! 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 Nice!
No, I don't get summer vacation, but they're going to be done in like second week of June. But no, I'm 12 months. I have to work every day. I wish we would get at least a month off. I would take that month off. Yeah. But all the teachers get it. So it's kind of easy because, well, it's not really easy. We have more projects in the summer. We work harder in the summer than we do the school year. Because we have to get everything ready. All the devices. Even like janitorial and like all them too, they work harder. Because they gotta clean every
Go, kids.
every
Let's
yard.
go. Box out, wide, box out.
So yeah, we kind of don't like summer.
Summer doesn't.
Yeah, because we have to work. Hands up!
Ah.
Hey, let's go, knock him down.
Check the clock.
Hey, that's easy, huh? Next one. Next one. Get a stop!
So, bola.
Box out! Box down!
Yeah.
Keep left, keep left! Watch out, keep
Three!
left!
Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
Pressure ball!
Nine, nine.
Pressure ball! Pressure ball! Pressure ball!
Corner, corner.
Get up on him!
Mainit ko ano, hindi.
For him, he's hot.
One more, one more, one more. No, one more, one more.
Next time, next
Next
time.
time. One more, one more, one more.
Oh, you didn't get it the first time.
Ah, diskarte ha. Buddy, mamaya ka na gumalaw. Mamaya ka na gumalaw. Ayun, ayun. Nice. Oh.
Get it, Alex, up! Yeah. Nice! Yeah, number 3!
Yeah. Don't bring down the ball. Yeah.
Come on, Will. Come on, Parker.
Keep left, keep left. Here you go, Will.
Good job, Parker. Good job, Will. Lock in.
Let's go! Get on defense! Get a stop! Stop defense!
Ano mo, ano mo?
Box out! And you gotta follow it! Give it up!
Oh, travel. Get it, get it. Diskarte, diskarte. Ayan. Ayaw mo yan. Oh!
Let's go, Will. Pressure, pressure.
Nice. Parker. Look up, look up. Look up.
Oh, Alex! Yeah, he's like trying to run at the same time.
Oh, sayang. Good, good.
Pressure, pressure, pressure. Hey, that's off the hip. Hold it. Hold it. Hey, let's go, defense. You're up, gonna stop.
Diskarte.
Play tough. Pressure, pressure.
Ayan na, hindi na ka-ready.
There you go. Nice. Good.
Shot number 3.
He's not just soft. You gotta box him out.
Diskarte, ayan na, hindi na ka-ready. Wow. Alex. Serak, diretso na yun.
Take it to the basket.
Hey, let's go, let's go.
Help, help.
One shot. All the way.
Very good.
Go there, go there.
Oh, come on.
Get it, Saros. Get the ball. Get the ball.
Good job, son. Got shooter. Move him, get low. Match up. Find your man.
4:30 game, guys.
Corner, corner. Ito na, oh.
Good.
Good.
Now get back.
Good. Get the ball. Help.
Control. Control.
Oh. One more. Diretso sa ring, lagi.
Finish it.
Shoot it.
Go to the basket. Come on.
Ah.
Hey, Alex.
Pull it. Yeah, nice. Nice hustle.
Hey, watch that wing! Wing behind, they're gonna wing it!
Get up.
Oh, nice, Alex.
Back, back.
Diskarte, diskarte.
Here we go. We need to stop.
Control, control. Hey, Alex. Nice, Alex. Nice, Alex.
Ah.
All the way.
Bravo.
Get back.
Corner.
Box out!
Hindi mo tinitingnan yung anak mo doon sa kabila.
Let's go! Get up, get up! Get back, get back! Get back, get back! Need to stop! Pressure, pressure!
There you go. Nice.
Go defense! Go defense! Defense!
Yeah.
Go defense! Hands up! Hands up!
Oh! Oh! What? Ah, no.
Nice.
I thought he got a foul.
Let's go defense! Go defense! Let's go, hands up!
Yeah, yeah. Oh.
Hold it, watch
Take
out!
it on, take it
All right.
on. Gotta steal it!
Control, control!
Get on it!
Set it up!
Take one! Take this!
Nice. 1-1. Penalty.
Give a foul!
Nice. 1-1.
Come on, Cyrus!
Relax, relax.
Diaz!
Go!
Oh, travel.
Come on, that was like way over.
Oh, travel. Again.
Come on, Alex! Get it, Alex!
Nice.
Come on, number 3, let's go!
Pag sumalaksa ka, maluwag, diretso na.
Yes! Come on, Alex!
Upo naman sila sa second game eh.
Nice, Alex! Good job! Woo! Let's go! Let's go, defense! Hands up, hands up!
Yeah! Yeah! 1-0. We have 1-0